Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm here to talk a little about myself and also about my best friend. So, first, I start by talking a little about myself. My name is Sebastián Velosa. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Facatativá, Cundinamarca. I like soccer and play it. I like languages, especially English and French. I believe in God. I like to learn a lot because this way I become an excellent professional and above all a better person. And finally, I also love listening to music. Now, I want to tell you about my best friend. Her name is Juanita Telles. She's 17 years old and she lives here in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. So she loves soccer just like me, but she likes watching it, not playing it. She loves music and plays an instrument just like me. She believes deeply in God, and above all, what she loves most is singing and dancing. Finally, she enjoys it since she is 4 years old. So that is all. Thank you very much for your attention. It is a pleasure to tell you a little about myself and the people I love most. Thank you. Bye bye.